Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Tools folder, find Recorder app and click on it. Now tap on this red button to start recording and select Allow only while in use or Allow only this time in the pop-up. Then, as you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this button at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one. When you're ready to end and save your recording, just tap on the middle button again, and as you can see, mine is here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to rename it, you can do that by clicking on those 4 dots at the top right corner, selecting Rename, typing in wherever you wish to, and saving your changes by tapping on OK. You can also delete it though by tapping on the same top right corner, but this time selecting Delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!